Welcome to the Illumio Insights overview. We'll begin with the security graph view, which provides an overall systems view of our entire hybrid multi-cloud environment. This includes Azure, AWS, and GCP resources within our estate. Next, we'll go to the Insights Hub, where a single pane displays all the various dashboards related to lateral movement risk, whether it's malicious traffic, risky services, connectivity across different parts of our environment, or potentially unauthorized use of public LLMs. To examine malicious IP activity in more detail, we can navigate to the malicious IP dashboard. Here, we analyze traffic to or from known malicious IPs. We can zoom into the global threat map to identify which geographic regions are involved. We can further explore which specific types of workloads are connected to malicious IPs. Additionally, the traffic query results display heavily decorated flows, where AI and ML models have added extra context to connections and workloads. Once we've identified a resource that might be impacted or involved in malicious IP activity, we can investigate that resource further. We can view the security graph from the perspective of this resource, including all its neighbors, in a single richly detailed view. We can also review other activities associated with it. For example, there might be risky traffic or signs of potential data exfiltration. Based on this analysis, if we suspect the resource is compromised, we can take immediate action. Quarantine it with one click directly from Insights to isolate the workload and prevent it from connecting with other parts of the environment while we proceed with further investigation. Let's look at another Insights dashboard, risky traffic. Suppose an IOC indicates a specific threat actor is present in our environment, and we know that this actor uses SMB for lateral movement. We can investigate SMB activity within our environment. We focus on the involved workloads and their types. We examine traffic patterns from workloads showing unusually high SMB traffic, with one particular workload standing out. We might decide to focus our investigation on that specific workload. As with the malicious IP dashboard, we can see if there's any traffic between zones and across clouds. Our focus remains on this workload with unusually high SMB activity, and we can again explore this workload by viewing its resource traffic. The security graph centered on this workload and its direct neighbors reveals what it interacts with, such as resources in AWS and GCP. We can also investigate other activities beyond SMB, such as RDP or Rust Desk, which are often high-risk protocols. If action is needed, we can further examine the resources attached to this workload, the cloud environment, network devices, etc. We might also review detailed traffic flows for additional assurance, and then use the one-click quarantine to isolate it. That's a quick overview of Illumio Insights. We hope you enjoy exploring it.